Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are welcome. If you are new here, you are welcome. This is where we do lovely recipes. Okay, today what we are doing is Chinese chili oil. Okay, it's garlic chili oil or Chinese chili oil, whatever you call it. But this, I love this so much because every time I go to the Chinese, I have to take some of this for my meal. It's really delicious. So that is what we are doing today. So if you are here, if you are new here, you are welcome. So what I have here, I have oil. I'm using really healthy oil. I'm using a rapeseed oil. Okay, and then I have a lot of garlic that I have crushed. Okay, and my next ingredients, I have a bit of shrimp powder. Okay, I have some black pepper, I have some bay leaf, I have like smooth chili, and then I have white pepper, some sugar, and then some salt. I'll put all the measurement down below, and I have my chilies. Okay, so guys, first I put my garlic in there. You have to be careful with garlic because it burns very quickly. Smells really good, guys. So as you can see, it doesn't take a long time for the garlic to cook. So I am going to add the other ingredient. First of all, I'll add my shrimp powder. And then I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients. So I'm going to just put up the fire. Smells really good, guys. Smells amazing. So really, that's done. It's really easy and very simple to do. So that's actually oil done. So guys, this is our chili oil. It is delicious. Okay, it's very spicy though. So if you like this recipe, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching, and may God richly bless you. Bye.